This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Geneva 2.1 VT Chevy is a Class C RV. It is located in Manteca, California, 95336 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Manteca. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach and features sleeps 5. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Geneva 2.1 VT Chevy is built on a Chevrolet chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.